Hi, in this video, let me show you how to print the print heads on your Epson EcoTank 2803 in case you're printing blank pages, or maybe they're not blank, but there is some parts missing on your prints. You have blank spots. Well, in that case, there's a good chance that the ink is clogged inside of the printer. It dried out because you didn't print enough. Maybe you have took a break, the print heads have dried out, and what I'll show you next can unclog them. So step number one, press the home button so we all start on the same page. And then using the right side arrow, you're going to tap on it a few different times until you get to maintenance. Press OK. And now you have nozzle check. Nozzle check is to simply see if you have a print head clog going on, if the ink is dried out. But in your case, if you're watching this video, I suppose you already know that this is the issue. So I'll skip the nozzle check here and I'll go to head cleaning. Press OK. Clean print head to correct missing dots. Press OK. And it will ask you to load an A4 or letter size plain paper in the back, because at the end a page will be printed so you can see if the problem is solved or not. So you simply have to insert your paper, your regular US letter size paper, in the back, and you're gonna press OK and the print head cleaning will start. Now if you're still having issues and it barely improved, you can go back and instead of head cleaning, click the right side arrow and there's power cleaning. It's the same thing, but it will use more ink to unclog your print heads. This is for major issues, in case definitely your small cleaning is not to the task. Power cleaning, again, as I said, will use more ink. So if you're doing many power cleanings one after another, unfortunately, your ink levels will go down, down, and down. It's not something that you should do multiple times if you have any issue. Although it can fix problems, you're also wasting a lot of ink. So this is how you do a print head cleaning. You have these two choices. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.